just because I want them to see. Minus this cup on my couch. I keep telling her to get cups off the couch.
Okay, I'm leaving the
So I wanted to just show y'all how the living room decor is looking. I want to show y'all this chair because this is the box. WAYFAIR. I ordered 2 things from WAYFAIR. This accent chair and then a media console for right here. I mounted this TV myself. Y'all can see I'm watching my own channel on here. I put this wallpaper up. I didn't film it because I just wanted to get it done. So it's like my little accent wall. The wallpaper is okay. But I ordered this media console from WAYFAIR to go right below the TV. That's coming in a few days. And then this accent chair is gonna go like over here, right here. This little ghetto setup right here of my printer and my suitcase being the stand. All this is gonna go away when I get my console because the suitcase can go back in the basement. The printer's gonna go in the media console and all this junk up here is gonna go in the media console. But yeah, so this area will be clean. This will be my little fitness corner with my Peloton, my weights, and my resistance bands and stuff. I'll put my filming equipment in the drawer. I mean the media console too. My plant, so okay, so the accent chair is green. So I got my plant. Well, I got a lot of greenery from plants, pretty much. And then my little throw blanket is green too. So that's why I got the green color. But I'm super excited to unbox it and put it together because I haven't done an unboxing or like furniture put together in years on my channel. And I saw this chair, the design on Vito, the singer. He did a photo shoot in front of one of these chairs. I think it was as like a dining room chair, but I only ordered one for now. It's like $200 from WAYFAIR. I want to see how it is, see if it's comfortable, and I might order a few more and use these as my dining room chairs too. But let's just do it. Can I fit in this box? For some reason I feel like I can fit in this box.
I can fit in the box. I could definitely fit in the box. Hold on, I could definitely.
Together, and it came with the 4 legs,
and this is how the
and it came with the screws. Hold on. The screws, and then put the L. Keep it. The little L screw tool. Alright. So you just put that on,
and then
this way.
And no, it's not. It's
this way. So you put it on like this. babe, do a little test to make sure to wiggle it sturdy. Other one, sturdy. That was sturdy. And then the last one so far, sturdy. So I'm gonna show y'all on the last one what we had to do. You don't want to tighten any one screw before all the other screws are in, because we found that when we tighten like this one and this one, it was hard to get this screw in. This also came with some washers. Let me see the washers. We'll put it up to the camera. It came with these little bag of washers that you could use if your screws are like too long. They're not even on the supply list. It's kind of bright, but it's not on the supply list, so we didn't even use them, but those are optional. So I'm gonna show y'all on the last leg the exact way to do it so that it works out perfectly and you don't have because these are kind of like uneven. These are kind of like uneven on some parts. So we're gonna show y'all on this one how you should do it. So put the leg in place, line up the triangle holes. Then you want to, before using the tool, you want to screw in a little bit each nail. What was happening is if we would just do two and tighten it real well with the tool, even though we thought the lines of the holes were lined up, some of the screws still don't go in properly because it's like so uneven. The base of it is so uneven. So we just discovered that you just screw in, make sure with your hand, screw in all 3 screws. Like this. So they're all loose right now. This is just oh no, look under the paper or something. Maybe it went under the paper. And these are not in tight, babe. This one. So you're gonna screw all these 3 in as much as you can with your finger to make sure it's in place, so that you know it's in the right groove, it's in there in the right way before you start tightening with the screw. And then you should be all good to just use the L tool to tighten it and make sure all of your legs are tight and not wobbly, because who wants to sit in a wobbly chair? Alright y'all, so we're not giving no makeup in this video. I was gonna do like an intro, but I'm gonna do my intro. No. This chair is literally the cutest. Goodness gracious.
I was sitting there for a real quick, but
this chair is literally so cute. Avoid this eyesore of a suitcase in the background because I need to get that part organized soon to come. But this chair is so cute. I've been eyeballing this on WAYFAIR for like literally months. And I was like, let me get it, because I didn't know if I wanted it to be dining room chairs or just like an accent chair in the living room. So by this point of the video, y'all seen us put it together already. And I'm gonna just give y'all a quick little what I like about it, if this is a good accent chair or not. So the cushion is kind of firm. It's this part is super comfortable. This part is okay, it's just firm. Why is it rocky like this? Why is it rocky? We do something wrong?
Me?
Oh, you know what? Okay, y'all, so we put the chair together, right? And we were just so excited that it was so easy, but it's one thing that we didn't pay attention to, and I was like, let me pull out the camera and let y'all know. So we initially thought, even though the instructions, because it had no words, we didn't really know. The legs are different. It's 2 and 2, so the B's and the C's. So when I was ripping the paper off, unwrapping, I didn't pay attention, but the C's have like this sharp edge right here, and the B's have like this flat part right here. The B's go in the front and the C's go in the, the C's go in the front of the chair, the B's go in the back. So I was wondering why the chair was wobbly, just so y'all can see the difference. These are the C's, the sharp edge, and the B has this flat edge. So I just took the legs off. I mean, it didn't take too long to put them on. So took the legs off, and then I'm gonna redo it to put, I just kind of did whatever because I thought they were all the same. But these are actually flat at the top, and these are sharp at the top. So I wanted to say that for anybody who gets this chair and who puts it together, make sure you pay attention to that part. So let's do it again. The B's go back here because it's the round part. You look at the instructions. All right, it's right here. It's the back of the chair, the B's, and then the C's. So let's do it. All right, now we got them on with both of the flat ones in the back and both of the sharp edge corners in the front. And let's put it down and see if it's stable.